Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another Bellabox unboxing with you guys. Finally actually on time, which is good. This is the box of March. So the theme for this box is Runway Ready. And yeah, let's just go ahead and see what we got. Okay, so the first thing I have here is some makeup wipes by RoarBeauty. Interesting, I've never heard of this brand before. So they're just micellar cleansing wipes, good for all skin types. And this looks to be a full-size item, so there is 25 wipes in here. Always happy to have a spare pack on hand. Yeah, I will definitely use these, so happy to receive them. If you guys are interested, those ones there, oh wow, they retail for $1.50. What? $1.50, and they're available at Woolworths. That is really good value. Oh my goodness, because usually the ones that I normally get are at least the $6 to $7 mark. So yeah, that's really decent. Okay, so the next thing that we have is by Palmolive, and it is some little hand sanitizer. This looks to be the full size. Really great to chuck these in your bag. This is the, oh, it's a limited edition flavor. No, that's not right. Scent. Limited edition scent, lemon and white citrus. So this one here is $3.69, and it is available at Chemist Warehouse, Priceline and independent grocers. So yeah, happy to just, you know, chuck that in my bag and have it on hand. That's pretty cool. Next up we have, this is by Bang Beauty, and this was the hero product. So everybody did actually get to nominate what color they wanted of this. It is a brow pomade. Now I ended up getting dark brown. So I'll just show it to you guys. I've never actually heard of this brand before, but it does come in nice little glass packaging. Oh, it's sweated. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, there we go. So you can sort of see the bubbles on top. So that is just like, yeah, you can see the moisture. The product has actually unfortunately sweated a little bit, but still happy to try that out. Now I have never actually, as I said before, never heard of this brand before, so yeah, always happy to try something new out. Now this did come with a little applicator brush, and I'll just show you on the back of my hand what the colour looks like. It seems to be like an okay colour. Yeah, I think I can make that work. So that's the colour there. Might be a little bit on the darker side, but I definitely think I can sort of make it work, ombre it out, maybe at the ends or something like that. So yeah, happy to have received it and to test it out. As I said, I've never heard of this brand before, so yeah, definitely always happy to explore, you know, new brands and see what works and what doesn't. So I will definitely be sure to update you guys on that one. Now that one there retails at $22 US, and it is available at bangbeautyofficial.com. So there you go. Next up we have, again, this is by Palmolive, and this is Oil Infusion Body Moisturizer, Rose with Macadamia Oil. So just like a nice little sample size here. Yeah, deep hydration, non-greasy. Happy to test it out, see whether it works or not. I actually quite like holding on to these sorts of sample sizes and use them for travel, so I might actually end up doing that with this. If you guys are interested, that was the bonus product, and I have no idea what the cost is or anything like that. It's just the bonus product in the pack. There you go. Alright, up next we have Aqua di Prama. So this looks to be like a little perfume sample. I'll just see if it... Oh. I'm not very good at explaining scents. I feel like it's very floral. It has a very floral scent to it. I don't mind it. I probably personally wouldn't pick it if that was me. But at the same time, like something like this with the little spray applicator, love putting these sorts of things in my bag just for on the go if I ever feel like I smell. But yeah, so love these little applicators for, you know, just for travel and things like that. So happy to have received it, but it's kind of like a meh item for me. Now that one there, if you guys are interested, that retails for a 75ml bottle. It retails for $119 and it is available at David Jones and Maya. Up next we have a anti-aging mask. Okay, so this is a biocellulose mask. Looks to be full size. Yep, so this is a full size product. One mask retails at $15 each, and you can actually use the code Bellabox for 15% off on Luier.com. So I'll link that in the description box down below if you guys are interested and you would like to save yourself 15%. You can definitely go ahead and do that. And yeah, that's it basically. That's all that is. Yeah, look, I mean, I guess I'm always happy to receive masks and stuff like that. I mean, I don't mind a sheet mask. It's good. Anti-aging is always nice too, because I'm going to be 30 this year, so hooray, getting old. And that's literally everything in this month's box. So that, if you are interested in Bellabox, it retails for $19.95 per month, and it is a New Zealand subscription, Australia, New Zealand subscription service. So yeah, I do put, like, this is definitely not sponsored content. I definitely buy the boxes all myself every month. And I just find that it's a really good way of, you know, discovering new brands and trying out different products. I have to say, for me personally, this is probably not my most favorite box that I've ever received from them. I do feel like there was a lot of filler items, like with the, you know, the wipes and definitely the hand sanitizer. I don't have them on me right now, but I'm pretty sure it was either in fact, I'm fairly confident it was in January's box that I received some makeup wipes in the January's box. It wasn't a full size item, but it was definitely, I reckon I got at least 5 of them. So yeah, I just kind of feel like lately they're kind of missing the mark a little bit. They did come out to say, this is probably going on a few months now, ago now, they did come out to say that, you know, they were upping the price by about $3, I think it was, because they were, you know, collaborating with bigger brands, and, you know, we were essentially going to get bigger and better boxes, all the rest of it. They did like one collaboration with Tarte, and we got like a full-size Tarte lipstick. And then they did a collaboration with L'Occitane, and it was like a mini bottle, like oil basically. And then other than that, I haven't really seen anything that's been overly like, oh my god, mind blown, this is, you know, amazing sort of, you know, value for money. So I'll probably do it again, because I have created a little series on my channel with Bellabox unboxings. So I will definitely probably do next month's, but I have to say, like, if I'm not starting to really see the value in it after next month, I might go ahead and unsubscribe, just because I'm finding the content to be a little bit disappointing. You know, I really would like to see a subscription service over here in Australia that is, you know, in the same realm as, say, what BoxyCharm is over in the United States. You know, like, I think that we really do need to start getting a service that's like that over here. I think, you know, it would be very highly profitable for everyone involved. And yeah, I just, you know, when you compare a BoxyCharm box to, say, a Bellabox box, they're not even in the same lane, if I'm being honest. So yeah, that's my only feedback for this month. Overall, in majority of my Bellabox unboxing videos, I have been really positive about Bellabox, but yeah, I'm just starting to get a little bit disappointed, I suppose, as the months go on. You know, I didn't think last month was overly brilliant either. So yeah, I really hope they do step up their game and be a little bit better, but yeah, time will tell. So look out for next month's box, and I'll let you guys know my thoughts on that and whether or not I will be continuing with this service or not. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, do be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are actually a Bellabox subscriber yourself, and you have similar feelings, or you think the complete opposite to me, please comment down below, let me know your thoughts. You know, I'd love to hear from you and sort of have a bit of a chat about it. So yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. I'll look forward to seeing you all on the next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.